is just fine. Yeah, my sister, she got eaten by an alligator. Yeah, tragic.
So Powderbeard, my sister, she won't talk to me. All she says, "I'm too fun." It's really weird. What should I do? What? What are you talking about? I can't kill her. Well, we would be exactly the same. Fine, I'll do it. Good idea. Hello, Mary. How are you? I do, boy. You will be fine when I throw this bomb at you. What? 5, 4, 3, 2. Wow! Wow! Wow!